I am AI generated, and today Tapiwa is going to teach you how to make similar videos.
Welcome to Creative Cash Lab, where creativity turns into cash.
I am AI generated, yet I look so real.
Cheese that hen and catch it for relish.
What happened to our friendship these days? I'm not sure. Let's make it better.
Ever wished your pictures could talk? Today, we're unlocking that magic with AI.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Creative Cash Lab, the place where creativity meets technology. If you have ever wanted to create amazing AI videos or images and get smart answers faster, then today's video is especially meant for you. I'm going to teach you how to make similar videos like the ones that you were seeing at the start of this video. To create these videos that you were seeing, I used two powerful tools that I'm going to explain today and also teach you how to use them. That is, Grok and ImageFX are two powerful tools that can change how you create and search online. So before we jump in, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you will also be notified. Let's start with ImageFX, which is Google AI image generator. Think of it as your personal digit artist. You describe something and it instantly creates it for you. To get started with ImageFX, you have to go to google.com and search for ImageFX. After that, you have to sign in with your Google account. After you have signed in with your Google account, it will take you to the interface of the app. In the interface of the app, that is what I'm going to show you on the screen. You go where it is written input, and then you put what you want to write. For example, you can say an African woman holding a baby in her hands. That's what I'm going to write, so that you will see how the image is going to be generated. After that, we click generate. Let's click generate and see how the picture is going to come out looking like. So this is the picture that was generated by ImageFX. If you can see clearly, it was just seconds that ImageFX needed to generate this picture. Now we need to make this picture go to life. We need to put life into the picture. So let's go to Grok. This Grok tool that I'm talking about, it's absolutely insane. Grok AI, also known as Grok Imagine, it's a tool that can literally turn your pictures into videos. You heard that right. You just upload a photo and it comes back in life. Grok AI, this tool is part of Elon Musk's AI project. They recently introduced Grok Imagine, an AI feature that brings photos to life by turning them into shorts, animated videos. It's like having your own movie studio. All you need is a single image. Now I'm going to explain to you how this Grok works. For you to download this Grok, you have to go to Google and type Grok or Grok AI Imagine. Whatever you type, you will see Grok. After that, you download the application and you sign up using it's either your email, your Gmail account, whatever you choose you want to sign with. The good thing about Grok is it's absolutely free. You use it for free to create all the videos that you want. So let's go together to Grok AI and then I show you. I'm going to type a mother throwing her baby in the sky. At first, I'm just going to upload a picture, and you see that when I just upload the picture without even giving a prompt, Grok AI certainly turned the picture into a video. But now I need it to change the picture into a video of my own that I want to customize. So I'm going to write the prompt that I want Grok to follow to produce that video. As you can see, now the video is doing exactly like what I have written in the prompt. That's what you do with Grok AI. You just put whatever you want to say and you want it to be animated into a video, and Grok will definitely do all the hard work for you. The other thing that makes Grok AI so special is how realistic the motion looks. It doesn't just move, but it gives the picture and also adds some depth, focus, and current camera movement to make it feel like a 3D scene. Grok AI use high quality images, and if you want something so nice, you have to add creative prompts like cinematic lights or a smooth camera tilt. So if you're someone who loves visuals, Grok Imagine is a total game changer. Make your posts stand out. It's fast, is empowered by cutting-edge AI. So that's how you can use Grok AI to turn any picture into a moving video in just seconds. If you have found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell and comment below. Remember that with AI, imagination is the only limit.